today I want to talk to the beginners that, watch my videos, that are on the Discord, because yes, by the way, we have a Discord, link in the description. Best place if you want to learn about Amazon, best place if you want to ask any questions, best place if you want to network with other sellers and actually, meet friends in the industry, if I can say, right? So I wanted to make this video because beginners often have the same questions. Like, they assume that sourcing is going to be easy and they get discouraged whenever they see that it's not that easy to actually find product when you start. And so I had a quick chat with the mod, and actually one of the mod actually told me, Amazon VPA guy, that this should be addressed because this is the main question that we see on the Discord, right? And this is what I want to answer. I want to set your expectation right when it comes to online arbitrage and when it comes to sourcing. It's not going to be easy. It's not easy when you start. It sucks. I know it sucks. It really, really sucks. It's bad because you're not going to find product. You're going to spend hours, like the first day. Like, if you find a product on your first day sourcing, like, it's a miracle. It's super hard. It's not easy. It's not easy at all. I'm gonna tell you. I remember when I started doing online arbitrage, when I made the move from online arbitrage to retail arbitrage, it was super hard. It's not easy at all. You need to try to get a little bit better every single day. Like, you watch a few videos, you try to implement the stuff, you see what's working, you see what's not, and you keep building upon that. Like, it's not, I'm telling you, you need to realize it's gonna suck. It's really gonna suck. It's gonna be depressing, because you're not going to find shit. You're going to start working, you're going to think that you're going to start making millions tomorrow. No, it's a process. It takes a little bit of time. You need to start understanding stuff. And one of the most important things that you need to do, this is the name of the game when it comes to online arbitrage. It's manufacturing margins. So you need to be able to bring, like, it's not like most of the product that you're going to find. I'm going to put it this way. Most of the product that you're going to find that you for resell, like for reselling purpose on Amazon, the best lead you're going to find are not the lead that you are going to buy at MSRP. So you need to find some sort of discount and stuff to find leads, not only to build a moat around your leads so people cannot jump that easily into the listing, not only that, but it's just going to be way easier because it's not that easy to find products that are marked up on Amazon enough for you to make, a profit by itself. It's super hard to do. Like, most of the time you're going to break even, most of the time you're going to lose a little bit of money. This is why you need to manufacture your margins. And what does that mean? I have a whole video on the subject, by the way. I know the side now. I'm not mistaken. Like, I do not make mistake anymore. I know it's my left hand. All right, guys. Because if you've been watching the video for a little while, you know. But what I'm trying to say is, yeah, watch this video. I have a whole video on manufacturing margins, and this is the name of the game. You need to decrease your cost to improve your profit, your profit margins, make more money, and actually find, like, not only to make more money, but to actually find profitable products. The amount of leads that are what I call MSRP leads that you're gonna find is super small. It is super small, and it's not that well. Like, they're not gonna last as long as the lead that you can find with coupon code, with great cashback, with gift cards, and I want to show you what you should do, because it's been a while that I haven't talked about that in my videos, and I have a link for that spreadsheet in the description. So what is the spreadsheet? Is the spreadsheet that I use to, because when you are doing manual sourcing, reverse sourcing, you find the lead, it's super hard to really, it's not that easy to calculate your cost and stuff, and so I use this spreadsheet every day when I source, all right? So what you need to do is find what cashback is going on the website that you source at, what gift card you can get, and I have whole videos on that, right? And what coupon you can find for that website. Not only that, but you want to source where there's great sales, right? So first of all, click the link in the description, get the spreadsheet, just enter your email. I'm going to send it to your email. Get that. This is going to help you a lot. All right, when it comes to online arbitrage, this is going to help you a lot because the name of the game is manufacturing your cost, right? This is going to help you manufacturing your cost. Next thing you want to do is, because not only you need to get the coupons, you need to get cashback, you need to get gift cards. Not only that, but you're going to need to find sales, right? And there's a couple of ways to find sales. First of all, get, and we're going to go back here, get on the online retailers that you know newsletter, because whenever there's a sale, they're going to send you an email. Whenever there's, enter your number as well, so you're going to get how is it called, text message as well. Enter your number, get the text message, get all that stuff, and whenever there's no way you miss a sale, right? But there's other stuff you can do. So you can also go to Rakuten, and you go to the Hot Deals tab right here. All right, you click here, and I'm already on the Hot Deals tab actually. So you scroll down. I didn't know. I'm sorry. You scroll down, and you're gonna see the top coupons for the day. So for example, on let's choose one. On CVS, there's buy one, get one 50% off, plus on Crest, Oral-B, and more. So what you want to do is check that. If you can scan it on Tactile Arbitrage and you have Tactile Arbitrage, do that. But still, look at it manually because Tactile Arbitrage may miss some products. This is what you should, like, if you do manual sourcing, it's going to take a little bit more time, but like, this is what you should do. When you use Tactile Arbitrage, you need to use the source price adjustment stuff, all right? So you can get the right price. You enter your store discount, your cashback, and your gift card, right? The store discount is the coupon, all right? So for example, right here, it's BOGO 50%, so it would be 25% store discount. This is like, as I said, I know I'm going to repeat myself, but you need to understand this. This is the thing that beginners do not do, and this is why they do not find any product. All right, you need to do your price adjustment. If you do on Tactile Arbitrage, it's super easy. You just do the price adjustment here. If you are doing manual sourcing or reverse sourcing, use the spreadsheet. Link in the description once again. Use the spreadsheet. Find promotions that you can source from your email, from your text message, from here, from the Rakuten. How is it called? Hot Deals tab. Another thing that you can look for is you can go on Top Cashback, right? And right here on Top Cashback, you scroll down and you have the trending stores. So most of the time, if a store is trending, it means that there's a promotion on it. Because if not, like, people will not go on this website, right? So you can see that, for example, on QVC, like, the traffic almost doubled. On Chewy.com, the traffic almost doubled. On Belk, the traffic is almost 5 times as big as it used to be. I don't know what it compared to, but it's probably on a week-to-week basis, on a day-to-day. I don't think it's on a day-to-day basis. But there's probably a promotion if you check. So let's go on Chewy.com. Let's see. Let me just type it because it's not going to go from here. Let's just see what's going on Chewy.com. When you are $20 off and $49 or more. So if you place $50 orders, you're gonna make some money. All right, you're gonna save some money. So if you place a lot of small orders, and if you are a beginner, it's totally fine. You can place $50 order, you're gonna save $20 every time. This is for new members. So just get a catch-all email. I have a whole video on that. Right, you can get 35% on your first auto ship order. It does not look like from here we can see that there's something bigger than usual, but you will need to dig. All right, just dig onto it. Another thing that you can do is I have a whole video on how to source Walgreens. I send you the links that you need to scan whenever the weekly ads become available every single Sunday. Check out that other video. And yeah, this is what you really need to understand. You really need to understand that you are not, like, if you start sourcing on Chewy, let's go back here. If you start sourcing on Chewy, you just source randomly. You go to, I don't know, you go to Tropical Freshwater Shop, all right? And you start sourcing manually here, I'm pretty sure you're not going to find shit. Why do I say this? Because all those products at MSRP, and like, the amount of products that you, like, it's going to be way easier because let's, if you can buy a product that usually sells at $20 for $5, right? It's gonna, there's the chance that you can actually sell this product at, if the MSRP is $20, the chance that you can actually sell this product for $20 on Amazon is super big. Like, it's super big, right? There's no reason why you should not be able to sell this product for $20 on Amazon. Now, same thing, if you were to buy this product for $20, right, on your supplier's website, what's the chance that you can actually sell this product at a markup on Amazon? It's not that big. So go with the sales. This is the main thing. Start sourcing on sales page. Start sourcing whenever there's deals on some website, right? This is what you should look at in priority. It's super rare you find leads that are profitable at MSRP, especially if you do manual sourcing. If you do manual sourcing, it's going to be super hard for you to actually find leads. Like, you're going to need to go through so many products, which is not the case, as I said, if you look at products on sale. Start looking at products on sale. All right, use the spreadsheet, get the spreadsheet, link in the description. Start adjusting your cost and set your expectation right. It's gonna be hard. It's not gonna be easy, but the more you do it, the more you're gonna be efficient in the way you source, and the more money you're gonna make. Like, the more leads you're gonna find. Usually, because a lot of people ask me, usually if I want to find 5 leads, I usually spend between, if I do reverse sourcing, if I do manual sourcing, or if I do tactical arbitrage, is different. But like, if I do reverse sourcing, if I do it from a storefront that I know, and I have a solution coming for you guys pretty soon for that, so it's gonna make reverse sourcing super, like, way easier for you, right? But if I do it on a storefront that I know, usually I can find the leads in 20 minutes, like 5 leads in 20 minutes. If it's a great storefront that is on my spreadsheets, right, that I know it's a great storefront and that I source periodically, if I source it, like, if I even sourced it for a while, I can usually find a lot of leads super fast. No, if I start from scratch, if I want to find 5 leads, it's going to take me between 1 hour and 2 hours, all right? If I start 100% from scratch, so if I don't even start from a great product. We did a challenge on the Discord server a few weeks back, and we may bring it back because I just bought a new computer and now I can source live and stuff. You saw that fancy transition that I can do right now, right? So I can do more stuff. We're gonna do more live sourcing videos and stuff, and yeah. So really look into that. Like, start sourcing on sales, get to know what sales are going on, watch my videos to actually find profitable online arbitrage products, set your expectation right, and there's no reason that you fail on the long run. Yeah, it's gonna suck at the beginning, you're gonna fail, you're not gonna find product. All right, the more you do it, the more you get accustomed to of the sourcing strategies, the more you learn different sourcing strategies, the more you get to know some retailers' website, the more efficient you're gonna be. Alright guys, so this is today's video. Watch those other videos on the screen. Watch this video. The one how to actually find profitable online arbitrage products is one of the first videos I released right here on YouTube. Watch this video. I think it's the video that's gonna help you the most when it comes to sourcing. Alright? So I'll see you guys tomorrow. New video every single day at 3 p.m. Watch these other videos on the screen, and thank you for watching.